to move some tools and hopefully their final resting place back in there. Easy to get to, pretty big compartment. So I'm going to give it a wipe down and we're going to see what goes on. All right, so what tool bag do you want in the bottom?
Probably the one with just the hodgepodge general stuff and tools.
I feel like that's every bag.
It's just got stuff you need on special occasions kind of thing.
Okay,
which would be this one, I believe.
Okay, well, let's zip it up.
I don't know why it's all important, but
We'll put that towards the back then, so you don't get to it too much. What's next?
what is it, Allen wrenches?
Okay, these we get to all the time.
This is just fingers.
Okay.
This is a torch.
Okay.
And
how about a bag? Hand me some bags. Not
rocket
rocket science here.
That doesn't get into electrical tools.
I feel like that one we get into a lot. And the
Well, we did
screwdrivers.
while we were doing work, but I'm hoping that I don't have to do it. I got something to do, but these are your sockets and wrenches. They're relatively common. Your general tools. Top and screwdriver.
We better have something heavy on the other side of this boat to balance this. This is a lot of heavy weight here, dude. And this one. Okay.
And then this is going to be the screwdriver.
Oh, that screwdriver. All right, hold on. Let me figure something out here. I think I can fit that one there. All right, let's see. All right, this one. All right, that's in there. Is there a reason why you didn't zip this one?
Two. Yeah.
Well, still, you're gonna need what's on the bottom anyway.
Well, sometimes I will.
All right.
Yeah, it's fine. Perfect.
All right. Are there any other tools that go in here?
Oh, there may be, but I haven't found them yet.
Great. Tool bin. Check. For now.